Hello today, I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Tasmota Socket with electricity meter included, baby. It's by EIGHTREE. It's Alexa compatible. It's a Wi-Fi WLAN smart socket. This is a smart plug. This is a power plug and a socket, also known as a wall plug, an outlet or electrical connector, which can be fitted between power cords and sockets, so function as a remote-controlled power switch. As such, smart plugs can be used to make dumb electrical equipment smart, and we enable such devices for home automation and building automatic purpose. Smart plugs can, for example, be controlled via mobile applications, a smart home hub, or a virtual assistant. Examples of protocols used for communication with smart plugs is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. Many smart plugs have a built-in ammeter so that electric energy consumption measured in kilowatt hours of the connected equipment can be monitored. Smart plugs often have a slim profile to that there are not hinder access to neighbored sockets in a wall, outlet, or a power strip. And here it comes, its smart home device, ESP8685 with a home assistant, MQTT, Domoticz, OpenHAB, and ioBroker. Only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported, but this is not the big thing. If you have a 5 GHz network at home, no problem. Every router out there which can make a 5 GHz network can also perform 2.4 GHz. It's no problem. So, instant smart integration, as you can see. It's pre-installed with Tasmota firmware for a hassle-free setup process. We have no additional apps or complex apps are required to get started. We can make this with any device like a tablet, smartphone, a computer, laptop, or so many other devices to use that. We use the browser to connect to the smart plug, because the smart plug itself will generate a Wi-Fi network. If we connect to it, we can then pair it to our Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz. And if it is paired with our network, it is a network system that is integrated in our network, and we can control it via, for example, the browser. And of course, then we go to a protocol, and then we can give it to Alexa, for example, or KNX, and so on. As a smart services are possible to control these. That means complete local control. This smart socket works independently of an external clouds. This increases our privacy, and we have full control of our devices directly from our home network. And we can customize our experience. Seamlessly integrated with popular smart home platforms and allows us to create customized automations, rules, and scenes tailored to our unique needs. Home Assistant, MQTT, Domoticz, ioBroker, Google, Alexa, OpenHAB, and so on are possible to use for it. And advanced flexibility. For advanced users, we can deploy our own server to have ever more control over our device, all while maintaining privacy. And real-time power management. The monitor power consumption, voltage, current, and energy consumption in real time for precise control and potential energy saving. This is ideal for monitoring balcony power plants, mini photovoltaic systems, televisions, heaters, and so on. This socket does not work directly with the Smart Live app or a Tuya app, for example. We take a look at the steps to integrate this socket into our Wi-Fi first. After this, we can use the setup process to give the control over the apps, for example, or Alexa and other smart home devices, control device, make connect things easy peasy, okay? Because the Tasmota sockets here are much more possible to edit as other devices out there, because they are only works with one app. The Tasmota socket here can work with a lot of different ways to handle and to program and to make themes and so on with this socket here in our network, in our smart network. Really cool. And for professional use, it's open. And for beginners, it's possible, as you can see too, to use that. And you can see the voltage, the current active power, the apparent power, the reactive power, energy today, energy yesterday, and energy total. Really cool setup, I think. That's the Tasmota socket with electricity meter. That's cool, I think. This is, manufacturer is EIGHTREE. It is the ET28, and the dimensions are, I think it's small enough to does not need a lot of space on your power socket. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.